All right, this is day 2 on that big job I got. I'm grubbing right now. I'm gonna replace the fuel cap of my excavator. I got a new one. The old one has a crack right on the vent here, so I'm gonna see if that's what's triggering my engine light. I'm also gonna change my air filter here. So this one's made in Germany, so it's a quality filter. The old one's pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna swap that out. Hopefully I can get rid of that engine light. We'll see what happens. All right. Out the air filter and the gas cap to see if that's gonna help with the engine light coming on. I did drain a little bit more oil out of the motor. It was slightly on the high side. I let it cool and everything, and I made it perfect. So we'll see how it goes. If it keeps coming on, then it's something else. Not sure what it is, but we will see. Hoping it was one of those issues. I mean, I don't know. Something pretty minor though, but I want to take care of it. So I do have some track bushings that are cracking again. I did crack them a while ago, and I had one of my friends weld it up, but they are starting to crack again. So my other buddy Dave is gonna come over, I believe this afternoon, if not tomorrow, to fix it. He's gonna weld it up again and see if it holds up. He's a structural welder, so he does a really good job. So hopefully with his techniques and how he preps everything, it'll hold up pretty good in this kind of environment. But it held up for a while, but this is really rocky conditions, so not the greatest for the undercarriage, and when I have issues like that, I do have a whole new undercarriage that I can install on the machine. and I would probably do that soon. I have to get a quote from a mechanic to see how much it would cost to install the undercarriage or the track chains. I wish I would have got it with the tracks already on it. It would have been easy. I would have done it myself, but that's going to be the hard part, or just the time-consuming part, is swapping the track pads to the new chains. So, but you know, I mean, I could do that myself too, but you know what? I don't have the time, so I'm just going to hire a mechanic to do it and just get it done quick. You know, he's got the tools, he's got the setup, all that kind of stuff. And I'm not trying to stick around with myself, so I'd rather let someone that does it daily do it. So I'm going to try to minimize my movements today and try to be easy on the undercarriage. I don't want to crack those bushings anymore, because once they crack where there's pieces coming off, it's going to be hard to fix it. We'd have to build up some welds, and we're going to have to weld it right to the pin, which is not good. So we'll see how it goes, how they hold up today. Getting a little late start today. Had some errands I had to do. I have to go check on the servicing on my hammer. I decided just to swap out the chisel myself on my MPK GH6 hammer. So supposedly it's fairly easy, so I'm going to try and swap it out tonight or tomorrow morning early and try to get that hammer over here. That saves me some time. I mean, I was going to take it down and get it serviced, but they said no need to do that. Just check the bushing around the opening where the chisel goes and look for wear. But they said because of how new it is, it's actually a 2016 model. They said, don't worry about it. So weird spot here. I think I'm gonna just start grubbing this section here a little bit along the border here, and then I'm gonna work my way back. Get these chunky rocks out of here. See, these kind of rocks would cause damage to your undercarriage too. I mean, they put a lot of pressure in one spot, and it's not good. So I'll try to pick those rocks out, and we'll use that to build up the pad. And I gotta work the edge here. What I'll do is I'll start cleaning up all the chunky rocks and piling it up. I have to do that after I grub anyway, so might as well do it to minimize movement, but still be productive and get stuff done. right, getting there. Just gotta work that pile. I'm gonna work my way this way. I'll work around, and I should be getting close to done today. Most of that's dirt right there. It decomposed quite a bit, so I'm gonna pick out the chunky stuff and work it back into the pit back there and start moving some of this material, piling it up, and hopefully get the ripping by the end of the week. All right, so my welder's gonna be showing up in about 45 minutes. I'm gonna level out this area, smooth it out really good for him, and get the excavator in position so he can weld it up really quick. All right, let's get going. My welder guy's here welding up the tracks or the bushings. He's almost done. It's going pretty good. He's building it up pretty thick, so I'll show you guys at the end. And we're gonna add a little lock to my door, so that'll be a trick little modification. All right guys, so I got my bushings welded up again. So I know I didn't film it, but I didn't want to be in his way, and we need to get it done quick. But I did paint it, so I used some high heat Rust-Oleum paint. But you can see what he did. He built it up right around the whole bushing. And you can see all the way around, even underneath. So it looks good. I mean, that's gonna be strong. So I'm putting the pads back on, and check out this other little thing I did. Where's my, I'll show you. Check this out. I've been wanting to do this for a while. This is key. You know why. So look at this. You're wondering what that is. So this is from a New York bike chain. Really hard to cut. And I had him welded it on to the door. And this is what I'm gonna do. So here's the thing with the cats and most machines, the keys are universal. Anyone with a cat key can open this door and start my machine. Well, now with this, check this out. Gotta Alright, check that out. Now you can't open my door. That's awesome. So it's a New York kryptonite lock. Works great. Nice. That makes me feel better at night. It makes me sleep better at night. I mean, knowing my door is secure. Alright, let's get these track pads back on and get going.